Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're using the Sena 50S and want to mute your microphone while still hearing others in your group, it can feel a bit confusing because the device is designed for full duplex communication. Many riders try lowering volume or disconnecting, which isn't the right solution and can interrupt the whole intercom experience. The goal here is to stop your voice from transmitting while still keeping incoming audio active. The best thing is that the Sena 50S gives you simple ways to control your mic without cutting off what you hear, and once you know how, it becomes very easy to manage during rides. Try these. Step 1. Identify the jog dial and phone button on your Sena 50S. Step 2. Press and hold the phone button to mute your microphone. Step 3. Keep the intercom active so you can still hear other riders clearly. Step 4. Adjust volume using the jog dial if needed. Step 5. Press the phone button again to unmute your mic. Step 6. Test with another rider to confirm you can hear them, but they can't hear you.